Welcome back. All right, today I want to talk about, I put it away already. I've done like 3 takes of this video already. All right, Empower checking account, debit card. I got this about 8 months ago. It's been pretty good to me. It's a debit card, checking account combo. They have an app. All the banking is done through the app. They have some cool budgeting features. The real thing that drew me to this was the 1% cash back on up to $1,000 spent per month. So that's $10 free. And I don't have to use a credit card. And at the time, I wasn't using credit cards because I was all Dave Ramsey. So I just want to talk about this as a tool for if you're trying to stick to a budget of $1,000 a month, which I was, at least $1,000 on street spend like food and drinks and going out and groceries and gas and all that. So yeah, I've had this for about 8 months. This initially was going to be a positive review. However, I went to the website and I noticed some things and I realized I can no longer recommend Empower banking. And let's just go over why. So first of all, you go to the website. High interest checking at 1.4% APY. Pretty good. Not quite as good as Ally, but this is interest earned in a checking account, which is pretty sweet. Scrolling down, you got all these benefits, no account minimums. That's always great. Slick debit card. All right. FDIC insured, blah, blah, blah. And then they compare it to a traditional bank. Nobody uses a traditional bank for earning interest anymore. I don't know why. Okay, so FAQ here. Now this is where the other shoe drops. The Empower experience is free for the first 30 days. Then $6 per month, that's the maintenance fee after 30 days. $6 a month. You need $6,000 in that checking account to earn the interest to offset that $6 a month fee. So no, this is I can't recommend this card anymore. So I'll get into that a little bit. So interest compounded daily. Okay, that's great. Except you're going to eat it all up by this fee. Will the APY ever change? Of course it will when the Federal Reserve decreases their rate. And it's funny, they don't even say if they increase, will they increase it? No, it's never going up again. Even if the Fed goes up. How are you able to be so generous? Because they charge a $6 fee. Of course they can be generous with the APY. Okay. I'm just a little disappointed, but I know they just had to draw on customers and now they're going to make their money. So let's see. I went through and dug through this. Okay, terms and services. I clicked here. I pulled up this terms of service. I control F'd for fee. I just had that up there. Fee schedule. Click that, and then I came here. So we got our minimum balance. We don't have any fees except for this monthly fee right here. Okay, that makes sense. Updated November 19th, so less than a month ago. That's why I haven't had a fee yet, but I'm anticipating that I'm going to have a maintenance fee coming in December, which is unfortunate because I'm definitely going to close the card at that point. So yeah, Empower banking checking account, don't bother. They will take your money. I would stick with Ally with their 1.7% APY savings account. Their checking account isn't that good, but just keep most of your money in the savings account. You'll be fine. Ally is kind of the gold standard for savings account APY. So stick with Ally, or if you find something better, go with that. Ally doesn't have any minimum account balances, no monthly maintenance fees or anything like that. I hope you liked this video. I hope there was some good knowledge imparted. If you think so, please take your mouse and click the like button and then click the subscribe button. Thank you very much.